Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into products that make a real difference in your beauty routine. Today, we're talking about something that might not be the most glamorous, but trust me, it's crucial for those of you who rely on electric shavers. I'm reviewing the Philips Norelco Genuine SH91/52 replacement shaving heads, which are designed for the Norelco Shaver Series S9000 and the 9000 Prestige. These replacement heads claim to refresh your shaver, giving it that fresh, close shave performance like it's brand new. The SH91/52 heads feature dual SteelPrecision blades crafted from Swedish steel, which Philips says are designed for maximum durability and self-sharpening over time. The idea is to bring your shaver back to peak performance by replacing the blades after about 2 years of use, especially when they've cut up to 9 million hairs on your face. So, let's get into whether these blades live up to the hype or not. First off, let's talk about the build quality. These shaving heads are made with aerospace-grade steel, which is impressive. We're talking about blades that can withstand some serious wear and tear. They're designed to stay sharp and resist tough conditions, so durability is definitely a key selling point. The self-sharpening feature is particularly worth mentioning here. For anyone who's used a shaver with dull blades, you know how frustrating it can be. This is supposed to eliminate that issue, making sure your shave stays precise for much longer. In terms of real-world performance, I tested these heads over the course of a few weeks, and I have to say, I was impressed. The cutting precision is right up there with what you'd expect from a premium razor. The Dual SteelPrecision blades work quickly, delivering up to 165,000 cutting actions per minute, which made shaving faster and more efficient. That's key for those early mornings when time is of the essence. I noticed that the shave was closer, more comfortable, and less irritating than it had been before the replacement. For anyone with sensitive skin, this could be a game changer because the blades glide over the skin without causing redness or razor burn. As for ease of use, replacing the heads was straightforward. It's a simple process. Just click out the old heads and snap in the new ones. If you've used Norelco shavers before, you know the drill, and this replacement process is no different. There's no complicated assembly or finicky parts to deal with. But let's talk value for money for a moment. The Philips Norelco SH91/52 replacement heads aren't the cheapest option on the market, but considering the quality of the steel, the self-sharpening technology, and the durability, I'd say they're worth the investment. If you've already got a high-end Norelco razor, these replacement heads will ensure it keeps working at 100%. Which, in my opinion, makes them worth the price. However, for those on a budget, I'd suggest looking into alternative brands that offer similar performance at a lower price point, especially if you're not brand loyal. There are other options available that provide good performance but might not be as durable in the long run. Now let's touch on the longevity of the product. Philips recommends replacing the shaving heads every 2 years, and honestly, that sounds about right. After 2 years of heavy use, these heads should be losing some of their edge. But if you're taking good care of your shaver, keeping it clean, and storing it properly, you should see long-lasting performance. And the fact that they're self-sharpening means you'll get that consistent shave quality without the hassle of frequent replacements. Lastly, the customer service. While I didn't have any direct interaction with Philips' customer service for this product, it's worth mentioning that the brand has a solid reputation for responding to inquiries promptly and efficiently, so you can trust that they'll have your back if anything goes wrong. To sum it up, these replacement heads really do live up to their claims of precision and durability. The Dual SteelPrecision blades are a standout feature, providing a close, smooth shave with every use. If you've been experiencing a dull shave or your current heads just aren't cutting it anymore, the SH91/52 heads will bring your Norelco shaver back to life. While they might not be the cheapest option available, their build quality and longevity make them a solid investment for keeping your shaver running smoothly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. And if you've used these replacement heads, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.